hire the wrong attorney, go to prison. That's what happened in my case. When I got the voicemail from the FBI saying I was a target of a criminal investigation, I went to my boss and said, "Your son-in-law's an attorney, right? And he practices real estate. Maybe he knows some criminal attorneys." So he did. He referenced one, and I went and visited with him. There was two attorneys in the firm and a lot of support people. One attorney did criminal law for the state. One attorney did criminal law for the federal government. And so I thought we were hiring the one who did the federal case. And as it turns out, that person left halfway through the case, and I was stuck with the guy who does state criminal law, and he was a fish out of water. I didn't know that until after sentencing. So really a horrible situation there. But I was going to change attorneys, and I was told by the AUSA's office that they frown on that sort of thing. They don't like to start all over again, and by doing that, they may try to impose additional time against us should we be found guilty of conspiracy. So we pushed our way through, got him everything he needed, got him reference letters from our pastor, reference letters from our employer. I think he sat on those and didn't give them to the judge until 2 days before we were sentenced. At sentencing, he showed up with a sticky note. The sticky note, when he addressed the judge, said, "This is a good guy. This is a family man. I met him in Disneyland a couple of months ago." What kind of a defense is that for conspiracy to commit fraud? Whoa, gosh. And I can only tell you this because afterwards, a month afterwards, my wife faced her sentencing hearing, and her attorney did an amazing job. Her attorney referenced case after case after case where similar situations happened and the person didn't go to prison. As it turns out, the judge was thinking in terms of, well, Anthony set the precedent, and so his wife's going too. So I went 13 months to federal prison camp. My wife went 11 months to federal prison camp. So be careful who you hire. I even hired a prison consultant. The prison consultant looked at the case and said, "I would have never hired that guy." Well, thanks. The barn's burning, the horses are gone. I mean, what a horrific situation. So just be careful out there. Just know that a situation like this is biting me in the butt for 15 years. So bad that I had to write a book about it. And in situations like this, the only thing that's going to get you through is your faith. So may your faith be very, very strong. Thank you, Lord. Ours is. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the follow. God bless. All the best.